Many schools combine the use of Microsoft Teams alongside Fusion. They can do this very successfully. There is another video that explains how to create a link to an online live lesson on Teams and how to integrate it fully into Fusion. And in the same way, you can also create links to other things on Teams, like channels, files, posts, and wikis. This brief video just shows you how to go and find those links on Teams. So I'm in Microsoft Teams and I have a geography channel here. This could be a class or anything else. If I go into these three dots, I can collect a link to this channel here. Then go back to Fusion, click Create, go to Teams and paste that link in here. And then you can rename the link and call it whatever you need to call it. So I've just called this one Channel Geography. So that takes the students to the channel. Where else can you go on Teams? You can link directly to a post. You can link directly to a file. And you can link directly to a wiki. To get a link to a Teams meeting or a live online classroom session online, you can create the session as a calendar item by clicking, going to More Options and switching on the Teams Meeting option. When you have your calendar item, simply click on it and right-click on the Join Teams Meeting to copy the link. In Fusion, any of these links can be added to the Teams tool to create a virtual link to that part of Microsoft Teams. So if you're using Microsoft Teams alongside Fusion, we hope this video helps you to exploit that link fully.